Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Happy Earth Day. We're going to begin by reading our objective for the day. Say, I can explore equivalent names for numbers. Remember that equivalent means the same. So we're going to think about numbers today and how to show that number in many different ways, but they all make that same number. And that's our kindergarten number sense standard 2. Let's get into the materials we need. Today you're just going to need 2 pieces of paper and your crowns or your markers. Alright, let's begin. Okay, we're going to get right into our lesson today. You're going to watch me make a name poster for the number 10. Let's count to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, this is my turn, so you're just going to watch and notice all the different ways I name to represent the number 10. So just get your eyes ready to learn, and let's begin.
I'm going to begin first by writing the number 10 at the top of my paper. So I remember 10 looks like a 1 and a 0. 1, 0. Now before I begin showing you the number 10 in any different way, I want to stop and I want to think about different ways that we have learned how to show numbers. Okay, the first way that I'm thinking about, boys and girls, is I can show numbers on a dice. So I'm going to start by creating 2 dice over here on the side of my paper. So let me get out my black marker. And I remember a dice is just a square. And I'm going to actually draw 2 squares for my dice. And how many dots do I need on my dice here? I have 2 of them, and my number is 10. Oh yeah, I need 5 dots on this dice and 5 dots on this dice to make the number 10. Okay, so I'll begin. Okay, so I have showed you how to make the number 10 with dice. Another way that is coming to mind is on a 10 frame. So I'm going to draw a 10 frame now, boys and girls. Alright, so let's check my 10 frame and make sure that it has 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm not done, boys and girls, because I need to add my counters to my 10 frame. And if I'm making the number 10, yep, that means I need 10 counters on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's think of another way to make the number 10. Alright, I'm going to think about other ways we've learned in class to make the number 10. Ooh, I could show 10 with tally marks. I'm going to get out another color and make tally marks. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. I made 10 tally marks. It's another way to show the number 10. Let's try to think of 3 more ways. Okay, we have dice, tally marks, 10 frame. What about an equation? We could try an equation. I'm going to grab another color. A way to make 10 using an equation. What about if I had 3? Let's start with 3. And I'm going to add plus. How many more do I need to make 10? I'm going to go ahead and use my 10 frame up here to show that. If I have 3, 1, 2, 3, I need to find out how many more I need to make our number 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, boys and girls, I need 7 more. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Good job. Okay, let's think of 2 more ways to make 10. Let's try a picture, boys and girls. So I think I'm going to draw stars. So how many stars do I need to draw? You're right, 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 stars. That's another way to show the number 10. Okay, one more way. A way that we use quite often is our fingers. So I'm going to make 10 fingers. Alright, I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 on this hand and 5 on this hand make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, with my terrible drawing, I made 10 fingers. So, boys and girls, this is how we use a number poster, or how we make a number poster to show a bunch of different ways to make the number 10.
Good job, boys and girls. Thank you for following along with me. Okay, this is our we do. That means we're going to work together, me and you. So make sure you have out your materials. We're going to complete a name poster for the number 5. Okay, get those materials out and let's get started.
Okay, boys and girls, this one we want to try together. So go ahead and get out your piece of paper, your markers or crowns, and let's begin. Okay, this time our job is to make a number poster for the number 5. Okay, so we're going to start by just simply writing a 5 at the top of our paper. So once you have your marker or crown out, we're going to go across, down, around, 5. Okay, we're going to think about some ways together to make the number 5. Oh, I heard a good example. Someone said that we could start by making 5 tally marks. So I'm going to use a different color because I want my poster to look creative. But I'm going to make 5 tally marks, and I want you to do it with me, okay? Get out your crown or marker. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and across 5. 5 tally marks is another way to show the number 5. Okay, think of another way, boys and girls. Awesome, I heard someone say we could make a 10 frame. So we're going to get out a marker and draw a 10 frame. So start by making a nice long rectangle. And then we're going to split that rectangle down the middle. And now we're going to draw some lines across. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 boxes because this is a 10 frame, boys and girls. But how many counters are we going to put in our 10 frame? guys are so smart. We're going to make 5 counters in our 10 frame. Alright, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Let's think of another way to make 5. Oh, I heard a friend say we could make a domino. So for our domino, I'm going to take a black marker and we're going to start by making another rectangle. Across, down, across, down. We're going to split our domino in half. So just make a line across. So we're trying to make the number 5. On this side, how many dots should we put? Well, I like that idea. Someone said 2 dots. If our domino has 2 dots on this side, how many more dots do we need over here to make 5? I heard someone say 2, so let's start with 2. Now let's count up all of our dots and see if we made 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we make 5? Nope. How many more do we need if we have 4? Good job. 1 more. Now we'll count our dots to make sure we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, let's think of another way to make 5. Well, someone wants to make an equation. Someone said to make a subtraction equation. Okay. Let's say we start with 7. So let's write a 7. And we take away, let's take away 2, boys and girls. Let's do this together and see if it made 5. 7, I'll put 7 fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? Good job. 5. Kiss your brain. Let's show one more way to make the number 5. I heard a friend say they want to use our example from when we were still in school of beads on a bracelet. So let's go ahead and start by making a circle. Good job. And remember when we did a math lesson where we had beads and we made a bracelet? We would put a certain number on this side and a certain number on this side to make our number 5. So let's say that I put 3 beads on this side. 1, 2, 3. If I have 3 beads on this side, how many beads do I need over here to make my number 5? Stop and think. Good job. I need 2 beads on this side. Let's count and make sure we have 5 beads all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, boys and girls. Thanks for joining me on our We Do.
Okay, boys and girls, now that we've done this problem together, let's go ahead and give you a chance to try one on your own. So for your You Do, what you're going to do is make a poster for the number 7, okay? I want you to think of all the different ways we've learned to show the number, to show different numbers, and you create your own poster for the number 7. When you're done, be sure to share your pictures on Class Dojo or Parent Square. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day.